Welcome to GKIT Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 27. What is File System Task in SSIS? In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is File System Task in SSIS. In SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services, the File System Task is a control flow task that allows you to perform operations on files and directories within your file system. It's commonly used to manage files as part of an ETL, that is extract, transform and load workflow. For example, moving or deleting files once they have been processed. Purpose of this task is the file system task helps automate file management tasks such as organizing source and destination files, archiving processed data, cleaning up old files, copying data files between directories. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. Here I am trying to create a package. I am trying to renaming it File System Task. I'll be taking File System Task. See, these are the mostly used tasks which are in favorites. And if you see the other tasks as here, like I'm taking File System Task. Let us see what are there in the File System Task. There are 4 options available in File System Task. One is the destination connection. There are 2 types of connections are available. One is the direct connection. You can go and take the path, and another one would be variable connection. You can put the path in the variable, and you can use the variable if you make it to true. And in general, you can give the name of the task and description for that particular task, what is a thing is happening in that. And coming to the operations, these are the different operations which are available, like copy directory, copy file, create directory, delete file, move directory, move file, rename file, something like that. And coming to the source connection also, you'll be having 2 options. One would be with the variable and another would be with the source connection. Let us see. I have this file here in customer.csv in D files, and I'll try to move this or copy this file to SSIS. I'm just copying this file to SSIS folder. There is nothing in the SSIS folder right now. Here the operation is like copy file. I'm trying to take the direct connection in the first phase. Next we'll see the variable thing as well. Here I'm browsing the file, and in the destination also I am making a new connection. Existing folder, I am just trying to copy this, and the folder is in D folder, files, and SSIS is the folder. To this folder I am trying to move the file. And there is other option, override destination. If you see the destination already, I'm trying to override it. We can make that option as well. Here the file from CS customer.csv is moved to SSIS. That means it is copied to SSIS folder. Next I'll try to do another operation like moving the file. We have done the copy file, and now what I'm trying to do is move file. Move file is something like cut and copy. Before one is a copy only. Here cut and copy we are trying to do here. Same connections, source and target. Here what happened? The file which is in D files has been cut and copied to SSIS folder. Now what we'll do is I'll try to do the same by using the variables. Here I am trying to make a connection through variable. In such a scenario, I have to make a source variable. Source path is variable. Then I have to make it a true. I have to create a variable here. Here, this is the name of the variable. I'm giving it as a file path, and value type is a string, and value that I'm giving here is D files customer.csv is the file name that we are trying to move from files to files SSIS folder.
And here also, instead of like direct connection, I'm taking is destination path variable true, and I'm trying to make a connection for this and creating a folder path, and the value type also string here. Here the files, I'm creating a folder which is available there, SSIS. You can make it as a true as well. Now what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to first we'll do the copying file from like D files to D files SSIS folder. Now we have to check the file is available. I'm trying to load by using this package. Now the customers.csv file has moved to SSIS folder. Now what I'm trying to do is, I'll try to do the same operation with moving. Now instead of copy, I'm trying to move file. Here the file got moved from D files to SSIS folder. Now we can in this way, by using a variable and other options, like by using variable and direct connection, we can do different operations like moving, copying, and create directory, delete directory, delete file or something. All these operations we can do by using variable and direct connections. For example, if you take a delete file, something like this kind of an operation, you'll be having only particular source path. It will go to that particular path and it will delete that file over there. For example, if you have the file here, let us say what this thing is going to do. It's going to delete that file, whatever we have given in that. In this way, we can use this file system task to perform different operations like copy file, delete file, move file, something like that. I think you got some idea about the file system task. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKIT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GK community and grow your IT career with us.